Hey guys, how's it going? So, Good Friday to everyone. Today is Friday. Today's Good Friday. A few days, 2 days before Easter. I don't know if that's an American holiday too, but it's definitely a Canadian holiday. Not an official holiday, but it is a holiday. So, but to me, it's not a Good Friday. I woke up to some horrible news that I think was drop the stock market on Monday. Dropped the stock on Monday. 3 executives are quitting. Top American weed retail Medmen quits amid CFO claims of financial duress. So the old CFO, the one that's suing the company, is announcing financial duress in the company, and he's also suing the company. He's also saying that the company has poor governance. So yeah. That's, with this article, I'm not too happy about it. But Chief Operating Officer, General Counsel, Medmen Enterprise have both resigned amid board members shake up to the American marijuana retailer. Chief Operating Officer Ben Cook, General Counsel Lisa Surge-Tegra, and Senior Vice President of Corporate Communication Daniel Yee, and so here's Ben Cook. Ben Cook, seems like an experienced guy. He worked for blue chip companies, and like Apple and other companies, Sam Club, and now he's quitting or he's getting fired. One of the two. That's not good. And then Daniel Yee, if you guys, this is Daniel Yee. He seemed like he would seem like a very intelligent person, and now he's quitting. So that's not good. But he's being let go. So he's resigning. So that's not. I don't know. He seems like a smart guy. I don't know, but that's him. And then Lisa Surge, there's definitely some fighting within the company if all 3 executives are leaving. Medmen is definitely going back to $3.65. It might even break the floor. It might even go to $3. Well, Medmen will still get bought up, but hold on. Let's get back to the article. They did not immediately respond to CNBC request to comment. Medmen confirmed the resignation of Tiger late Friday morning. We appreciate the contribution of all current former Medmen team members as we work to build out the leading cannabis company, and I have the utmost confidence in the management team and the expertise, skills set, and experience set the standard of excellent for industry, Beerman said in the release. Well, at least the 3 executives, that's less money they have to pay to these executives. So they're saving a little bit of money there, but they're gonna have to replace them with someone. So yeah. Anyways, I'm not too happy about this. I still think Kronos could come in to buy out Medmen. I still think maybe other big companies, like other big US company, might buy out Medmen. But at the end of the day, maybe, I don't know if the CEO will accept a cheap price. So if he got bought out, he would probably take somewhere between eight Canadian dollars, at least in my opinion. I don't think he's gonna accept $4 or $5, but who knows? Maybe. It kind of sucks, and those two have all the voting powers, so there's no way for shareholders to really even kick them off the board or fire them if they wanted to. So, I don't know. Maybe I should have took the lawsuit a little bit more serious. Maybe I knew that there was problems with the company, but this sucks. This just really sucks for me. I thought Medmen could have been a long-term hold, but I'm more nervous about the company, so this sucks. Zenabis. Zenabis is down $1.86, down to $1.86. Is Zenabis a buy? I don't know. It has a market cap of $354 million. I think, Zenabis will never like really make you a lot of money. You could probably treat it as a swing trade or a day trade, but I don't feel like big money, like people who have hundreds of millions of dollars would all of a sudden come in and pump Zena stock. There's so many other investments out there, like there's a lot of U.S. investment. There's also like Canopy and Aurora, which are safer. Like why would a rich person put money into Zenabis when there is like Aurora and Canopy? They might not make as much money, but at least they are more safe long term, in my opinion, and they're listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So yeah, that's the biggest problem. But you never know. I mean, the Zenabis team could execute in the future. Short term, I don't think the stock's going to really move anywhere. I think it's probably the worst case scenario, it drops to like the low $1, and then the best case scenario, it goes all the way up to $2.30. But I don't think it's going to be trading out of that range for a long time. The stock still looks like it's on a downtrend. It's showing a little bit of a recovery, but that's about it. But I don't know. That's just my opinion. I'm just thinking that Zenabis is not going to really do much in the near future. Tilray. Is Tilray a buy? I don't think so. But, well, I mean, maybe in the future they might get like a buyout target. Maybe Novartis will come out and buy out Tilray. But, but at the end of the day, it's still a gamble. Jim Cramer doesn't like it, but at the end of the day, they still could get a buyout target, and that would pop Tilray stock again. So maybe, who knows? We'll see. The Tilray CEO says that, like, this is an old article that was released on October 17, 2018, but the Tilray CEO say there could be a $100 billion pot stock coming. And I think he says in the interview, he said that it's going to be multiple $100 billion pot companies. But I know one company for sure that would be $100 billion. That would be Canopy. Canopy would be the first $100 billion company. If any company was ever to hit $100 billion, it would be Canopy. If Canopy hit $100 billion, their stock price would be like $200. So, with all the dilution and everything, I think the stock would be closer to $100 to $200. So, yeah. Pinterest is an interesting company. I don't know anything about Pinterest. I don't use the platform. I don't know too much about it, but let's look at their financials. It's actually not too bad. For the entire year of 2018, they made a total of $755 million. They lost close to $63 million. So they are, closing the gap of losing money. But in the future, it could be, they could grow and they could lose less money. It's a software company, so there's a lot of ways to make efficiency. Their gross profit is not bad. They are making literally $514 million of gross profit. So that's like, let's pull out a calculator. Making about 68%, around 68% gross profits. That is really good. So that's really nice. If you look at the balance sheet, it's okay. I mean, it's like $1 billion of assets. They have they have okay cash. They have $505 million of short-term investments. So Pinterest is definitely an interesting company. They are worth $12.8 billion. You know, they're good gross profit. In the future they could flip a profit if they become more efficient. Right now, since they're growing, they've been spending a lot of money on research and development and their sales, general and administration. So they could reduce their research and development and their sales administration to flip a profit for investors in the future. But as of the moment, they're trying to grow. So I don't know, it could be an interesting growth play, but I'm not 100% sure. Please comment down below. Tell me what you think of Pinterest. And I'm going to end it off with Canopy Growth. Canopy Growth, you know, I think Canopy is going to be a big giant in the future. You know, but with the whole acreage holding deal, in theory, Canopy Growth could acquire more than one big major US play. They could acquire two major US play and really create a dominant position in the US. Like, for example, they could have, you know, they could have Tilray, they could have acreage holdings, and they could have, like, I don't know, another company like True or Kira. No, they wouldn't do Kira. True you know, True is a pretty profitable company. Or Harvest Health, they could have True Harvest Health, and acreage holdings. That would make them have a monopoly in the United States. If they could have all three companies under their belt, that would give them a monopoly in the United States. But I don't know if they're gonna do that. That would be crazy if they did. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.